Big Supreme Court verdict today. The top court is going to be hearing Arvind Kejriwal's plea against his arrest in the Liquor Gate scam. This comes after Delhi High Court had rejected the plea on the 9th of April, calling his arrest completely legal. A two-judge bench of Justices Sanjiv Khanna and Dipankar Datta will hear the Chief Minister's petition. Arvind Kejriwal's petition says that his arrest is politically motivated and was solely based on contradictory statements of co-accused who have now turned approvers. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party is up in arms. Sanjay Singh has alleged that BJP's involvement in pressurizing Sarath Reddy to give statements against the Delhi Chief Minister.
जो व्यक्ति शरद रेड्डी नाम का है, जिसने बीजेपी को 60 करोड़ रुपए रिश्वत दी, जिसको खुद ईडी ने किंग पिन कहा, घोटालेबाज कहा, उस शरद रेड्डी को 12 बयान में 10 बयान उसने दिया, केजरीवाल का नाम नहीं लिया। अंतिम 2 बयान में जैसे ही उसने केजरीवाल का नाम लिया, उसको बेल मिल गई। और सिर्फ बेल ही नहीं मिली, मई के महीने में 2023 में उसको माफी नामा भी मंजूर हो गया।
Arvind Kejriwal's plea is before the Supreme Court of India today. He's in fact moved Supreme Court after Delhi High Court on the 9th of April had said that the arrest by the Enforcement Directorate is completely legal. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal had challenged this matter before the Supreme Court, challenged the arrest essentially by the ED before the Supreme Court, saying that the arrest is politically motivated. That matter is up for hearing today in Supreme Court of India. Apart from that, he's also in fact meeting the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. That meeting is scheduled to take place at 12 this afternoon in Delhi's Tihar jail. The ED has opposed the plea by the Delhi Chief Minister, saying that the arrest is legal and that the Delhi Chief Minister is a kingpin of the Liquor Gates case. The Enforcement Directorate in its defense has said that Arvind Kejriwal is a kingpin of the Liquor Gate scandal. The Delhi Chief Minister, meanwhile, has gone on to say that this arrest is politically motivated, there is no money trail, and that nothing has been found on him. It is to prevent him from campaigning in the Lok Sabha elections. That's an important plea which is coming up in the Supreme Court of India today. Previously, the Delhi High Court on the 9th of April had turned down the plea by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and also, in fact, had made some scathing observations. Khanna is getting us more details. Khanna, if you could tell us what time is this matter going to come up before the Supreme Court today? What more details can you share with us?
Well, Sneha, the matter is likely to come up only after 11:30 this morning before the Supreme Court. A bench of Justices Sanjiv Khanna and Dipankar Datta is scheduled to hear the Arvind Kejriwal's petition challenging the Delhi High Court order by which Arvind Kejriwal has challenged not only his arrest but also the remand order passed by the Rouse Avenue Court. What importantly, Kejriwal has told the Supreme Court that the whole witch hunt which is being done by the Enforcement Directorate is only to finish and crush the Aam Aadmi Party just before the general elections. He has questioned the ED's move to arrest him and all the other senior leaders just before the general elections. So it is very important to see with the Manish Sisodia moving the trial court today, saying that he needs bail for the campaigning, and Arvind Kejriwal will raise the similar plea before the Supreme Court, saying that he needs to be out since he is the convener of the Aam Aadmi Party, and since the Aam Aadmi Party is a national political party, their participation and his need on the political front is important for the party cadres at this point of time.
I'm going to thank you, Khanna, for getting us those details at this point in time. That matter is likely to come up post 11 o'clock is what Khanna Sarda is telling us.